Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony XO. How are you guys doing today? I actually have a Fabfitfun box. Fabfitfun, yeah. I was like, what? Is that right? Yeah. Okay, Fabfitfun box. This is the fall box, you guys. I've had it for a few days and I need to unbox this bad boy so I can start using these goodies in here. Let me wipe off the swatch from earlier because I did a video earlier. So let's dig into this. I'm really excited. I'm not gonna lie, I did peek. So it's already been open. I did peek, but I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek of it. Let me go ahead and get this on handy. So this is what comes in the box. It is a Fabfitfun little magazine. It's got Christina Applegate on the cover, and inside it kind of tells you everything that you're getting, the price of everything. There was some choices. Well, you didn't get a choice, but you could get either or on some of these things that they sent you, and then there was some things that everybody got, but the total of the box was between $258.97 or $375.94, depending on which products that you got in your box. But yeah, so this was a really good box. I have been subscribed to Fabfitfun for a few years. Some months I skip out on it because I don't really like some of the things, but this I say month, no, season. But this season I was really excited when I saw a lot of the unboxings. I was like, ooh, I gotta have that in my life because there's a lot of really good stuff for the price. Okay, so let's get started. You got some like little coupon thingies in here, there for Luna bars. This right here is a $50 gift card for HelloFresh. It just says use within 30 days. It looks like this. I have actually never ordered from HelloFresh, but I've always wanted to try it. But yeah, maybe I'll give it a go. So HelloFresh coupon, which is cool. Okay, I'm just gonna like start pulling things out of here. Okay, so here's the first thing. I got the umbrella. There was, I think, two different things. You could either get the umbrella. This one's by, and this is a really cute umbrella. I mean, everybody needs an umbrella, right? So you do get a sleeve. It's pretty little fancy umbrella. I will let you know what it retails, and I will also let you know what other things, what some of the other people got if they didn't get that one. Could have gotten the one I got right here, which is let's see, what is it called? This one's just called the black and white floral. So that's the one I got. You could have also gotten the red floral, or you could have got the wireless earbuds in black or white. It's Bluetooth, and they're wireless earbuds. So that's cool. I didn't get the earbuds, but that's fine. So that's the first thing. The second thing I'm going to pull out is kind of a big box here. And I got the Alfred French press coffee maker, which I was really bummed about because you guys know I don't drink coffee anymore. So I was really hoping I got the Alfred teapot because first of all, it was just beautiful. It's got floral. It's in like this little robin's egg blue color with floral. It's beautiful. I didn't tell you the price. Let me go back and tell you the price of this. Okay, so if you get the umbrella, it's $39.99. If you get the earbuds, they're $40. Okay, so I got the $39.99. The earbuds are $40. Did I say bugs? The earbuds. Okay, and this one is the coffee press. The coffee press is $22. If you would have gotten the teapot, it's $26. Okay, so let me see what this little bad boy looks like. But yeah, it's a coffee press. I feel like this makes stronger coffee too, and like I said, I can't have coffee, but it says but first coffee, so it's really cute. Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. I think I might give it like maybe to my mother or something for Christmas. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that was that little goodie that I got. Next thing, 3 different ones you could have gotten. This one is polishing facial exfoliant, pink grapefruit. Here's the packaging. You could have got that or the Hydra Repair Cream, or you could have got the Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser. So there's 3 different ones. But I'm glad I got this one. This one sounds pretty cool. It's exfoliate. And I would have wanted the exfoliate or the cleanser, I think. So this is what it looks like. It's got this really, like, it feels really expensive packaging. And this is the blue one. This one retails for, ooh, I got the most expensive one, so hey. So the one I got was $67. You guys, I would not pay $67 for this, but I told you I'm really cheap on skincare, but whatevs. I got it for free for $67. If you would have got the repair cream, it would have been $49. If you would have got the cleanser, it would have been $49. So I'm not hating that I got the most expensive one. You know what I'm saying? I'm not hating that. Okay, so that is that. Next thing I'm really excited about, because how can you not, like, want another beauty blender? You do get a beauty blender in this. The only thing that's going to be different for everybody is the color. Some people will get the pink one. Some people will get this one that I have right here, which I have another one that's really dirty, but I'm glad I got a new one that's clean. I was wanting a new beauty blender, so yay me. And of course these retail for $20. So yeah, it just says colors may vary. So any of the different beauty blenders you could get. So I'm excited to get use out of my beauty blender. That was a good thing. Another thing I got that I'm really excited about. You guys know how I feel about my Glam Glow. And I will pay some money for some Glam Glow now. I will do that. This is Glam Glow. And not only is this Glam Glow, I'm super excited. This is a bubble sheet. It's a sheet you put on your face. And it's just going to make these little, like, bubbly bubbles on your face. So it says it's a deep cleanse mask. I think I might do this tonight. I might do this tonight. If I do this tonight, you guys, I'm probably going to put it on my Instagram. So you'll probably see this before you see, you'll probably see the Instagram before you see the video is what I'm trying to say. But these are retailed at $18 for 2 packs. So everybody will be getting these who bought this box. Okay. So that is that. I'm trying to figure out where to put everything. We're running out of room, people. Okay, next thing, there is a Luna bar in here. Everybody got a Luna bar. I don't know if there were different flavors or not. It doesn't really say. But mine is the salted caramel nut, which I'm glad because I don't want anything with chocolate in it. So this is gluten-free, non-GMO. I think I'm gonna try it. I'm really hungry now, so I might try this now. But yeah, I've never had the Luna bars. Yeah, it just says you could keep it in your purse for like an on-the-go snack, which is brilliant. But I never do that. Like the Luna bars, they're like you could break little bits off. Okay, let's break one of these off and try it. Oh my god. Holy crap. If you are a fan of peanut butter, like I am. This is so good. I think I'm going to have to buy me a box of these. That's so good. I'm really happy. I'm a happy girl. Give me some food, a box of goodies. I'm a happy girl. That's so good. Okay. So, I'm really happy about that. I was a little worried I wouldn't like it. It's really soft in texture. It's not like... Sometimes I don't like granola bars because they're so hard. And I just don't like it. But those are so soft. So good. Next thing I got was this. These are Simply Whimsical tea towels. They retail for $14.99. This set features 2 playful gray patterns, so they're very neutral no matter what. They're neutral, so it just says playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into your kitchen. So basically they're kitchen hand towels, which I was actually needing some new ones. So perfect timing. So they're by Simply Mystical. So excited. Again, if you don't like these, you could, a lot of these things you could give as gifts. Or, yeah, for like birthday or even for Christmas if you want to put some stuff back for Christmas. Maybe your mom likes hand towels. Maybe your mom, if you wanted to give her the teapot or the coffee press, that's cool. There's an umbrella. Like I said, really good stuff in here. Okay, I'm really happy about the fall box. I haven't been happy with Fabfitfun in a while, but this one's a really good one. Okay, the next one is a skincare product. It says you can use this in the shower for like a shower gel, or you can use it for a bubble, like a bubble bath. Looks like this. If you guys can see that. And this retails at $22. Trying to see if anybody got different ones. Yeah. No. So I can use this for a bubble bath. Or I can use it just for like a soap in the shower. So, that's cool. I'm trying to see what it smells like. It smells very, what's the word I'm looking for? You know, like that, what word am I looking for? Herb? Like a herbal smell? Maybe that's what I'm thinking. It's very herbally. Smells really like therapeutic. Excuse me, I can't speak. And oh, I didn't tell you, it's by Skin & Co. If you want to know, the brand is Skin & Co. $22. Okay, guys. So then I got this, and everybody got something different with this. You could have either gotten the Do It For All Total Care Cream, Eye Cream for $38. Or you could have got the metallic liquid foil lipstick in Duo in Penny for $24.99. Or you could have got this, which is what I got, which is a yoga detox bath. And it tells you how much to put in there. And it just says you can soak for about 10 to 20 minutes in the bath. And it's supposed to be like a detox type thing. So I'm really excited to use this. There's a lot in here too, so that's cool. So yeah, I got the most expensive one on that too. Woohoo! I'm like hitting a run over here. I'm like hitting a home run. Okay, what else? The last thing that I'm most excited about, you could have gotten either the Vince Camuto Luck Totes in black or red desert for $128, or you could have gotten the Crown Brush 6-piece set in rose gold or black or silver for $75. I got the Ben's Camuto bag. Woo, woo. You guys know how much I love bags, okay? So I'm super stoked that I got a bag instead of the brushes. I mean, I kind of wish they would have put both in here and took something else out. Actually, I got the most expensive one. I got the one for the retail one for, this box was worth $375.95. And I only paid $50 for this box. So, yeah, I'm excited. Here's what the bag looks like. And I really wanted this color, too. I was really, like, wondering what color I was going to get. And I was like, I don't really want the black one. I kind of want the reddish brown. Because that's just me. That's just more my style. Ah, I love it. I love it. I love it. So, I think I might do a what's in my bag with this video. No, I think I might do a video of what's in my bag with this bag. Because I want to do like a, I want to do like a fall what's in my bag. And this, I'm so excited about this bag. So, basically, it is just like one of those like bags. You could put like a laptop in here. You could put paperwork in here. You could just throw all your makeup in here. You could even do like a little, if you wanted to, you could use it as a little overnight bag. But I'm going to use it as a handbag because I think it's adorable. It looks so cute and fallish, and I love it so much. So I'm excited with this box. I'm really, really excited with this box. I think they nailed it for fall. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did enjoy this video, let me know in the comments, what did you get in your Fabfitfun box? I want to know, did you get the bag? Did you get the brushes? Did you get the teapot or the coffee maker? Not coffee maker, but the coffee press. Yeah, just let me know in the comments. And if you like this video and you want to see more unboxings, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. I would totally appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and be a part of my Lashes Tony XO fam. Okay, guys. I'll talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.